Greetings, classmates. I am Jorge Ernesto Suarez. I am 35 years old and I am studying social communication in the UNAT University. And also, I am preparing for the exam IELTS. I already finished all the levels in Colombo. It's not easy for learning English, but it's very important in our life. Try to learn these languages. And I'm going to talk about a festival, a great festival that celebrates people in Colombia. One of the parties that are celebrated at the beginning of the year in Colombia is the Carnival of Blacks and Whites of Pasto, Nariño, in which more than 10,000 artists participate, about 2,000 musicians and dancers, and whose preparation lasts for months that are consumed in a week of joy, play, and fantasy, and really fantasy. Each carnival event is special, such as the commemoration of the arrival of the Castañeda family. This carnival has become the most important for the beauty, color, and originality of its floats and costumes that are shown over 7 kilometers by the called Carnival Path. I really enjoyed this festival, this carnival, and I would want that you participate also that you can participate also in this great festival. Have a good time and have a good day. Thanks a lot.